This is the best pasta recipe in the world, even those who don't like it will love it. For this recipe, I'm going to add a pan here, a lot of water. I'm going to cover and let this water boil. After the water boils, I'm going to uncover it, and I'm adding 250 grams of pasta. I'm using this type of pasta, but you can use any type. I'll put a teaspoon of salt, a drizzle of oil, mix well so that the pasta doesn't stick. I'll cover and let it cook for about 7 minutes, until the pasta looks like this here. At this point. Now in another pan I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to be melting this butter. Put a spoon of wheat flour, and mix very well, until I make this paste like this. And gradually adding 250 ml of milk, and go moving. And people are already commenting there for me from which city you are watching us, that I will send a super special hug to each of you who comment, so you are already commenting. I will now add 100 grams of cream cheese, and mix very well. Add 100 grams of cream, a teaspoon of salt, and mix very well, until it starts to boil, and it looks like this here, at this point. In a frying pan I'm going to add 150 grams of bacon, and I'm going to stir it until it's well fried. And today's special big hug goes to Ava from Montana. Thank you so much for always commenting. I thank you immensely. Until the bacon looks like this here, right? Now I will be assembling our plate. I'm going to put in the pasta, then I'm going to put in our white sauce. And finally I'm going to add the bacon. And our pasta was ready, and it was super delicious. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. It combined the noodles with the bacon too much. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.